And now, the general weather around Alaska.
Satellite imagery here showing nothing too spectacular. We've got low pressure here west of St. Lawrence Island, a weak front extending out from that and then trailing on down into the Alaska Peninsula, eastern Aleutians for a few showers there. Areas of light precipitation here with this system back up to the northwest there in the form of rain or snow, depending on your elevation up here to the northwest areas, mostly in the form of rain down to the south. And some clouds here across the northern interior areas. And another system here, or actually a band of clouds, another system well southwest of the Queen Charlotte's, bringing some, just moving northward there, but bringing some rain mostly to the eastern North Gulf Coast, about anywhere from 1/4 to 2/3 of an inch falling here in this area from Yakutat on down. Lighter amounts in toward Juneau. Dry over the southern southeast coast, just clouds moving through there today. And then back out to the west, the next system here pushing some clouds and a little bit of moisture into the western Aleutians. And we'll see that as we roll this through again, that heavier band of clouds there just approaching Shemya late this afternoon, associated with a front out there, but not a real strong one. And this system up here west of St. Lawrence Island, not particularly strong as well. And the front bringing the moisture into the western interior areas, drying out along the southwest coast today and the Yukon-Kuskokwim Delta up through St. Lawrence Island after some rain and snow earlier today there for Nome. And on up to Kotzebue, had some rain with temperatures right near freezing during the day today. Dry for the central eastern Arctic coast. Dry over the central and eastern interior. Good amount of sunshine here over portions of Cook Inlet. Actually northern Cook Inlet into the Susitna Valley. And then this front here bringing the rain up to the North Gulf Coast areas, mostly again east of Cordova, from about Cordova eastward there. And tonight that will, remnants of that moisture will shift west-northwestward in across Prince William Sound, Passage Canal, and could possibly reach the far eastern Turnagain Arm area, Portage there, and also some light shower activity could develop there along the south coast of the Kenai Peninsula. About a ½ inch of rain falling today at Kodiak Island from some moisture from this system here. That'll taper off and become a little more showery overnight tonight. Mostly dry for the Panhandle, although some moisture slipping on up from the southeast there will bring a chance of rain into the southern southeast coast. Dry for the central eastern Bering Sea. This weak front here keeps some moisture chances going lower to mid-Yukon River Valley, up across the Koyukuk Valley, and then across the western North Slope and Arctic coast, but that's going to be very light there. And this system here brings a little bit of a rain condition into the western Aleutians, but winds no factor at all with that, really. And really light winds across the Bering Sea, Alaska Peninsula, central eastern Aleutians, right up across all interior Alaska, very light wind conditions. And then for the day on Tuesday, tomorrow, this moisture slowly shifts eastward. Again, very light flurries, light snow, snow showers, quite extensive there for the North Slope and the Arctic coast, wrapping back into the western Brooks Range, Noatak Valley area, and as well as the southwest coast there with southwesterly flow in that area, down to about Kotzebue, but from there southward, dry with mostly cloudy skies into the eastern Bering Sea. And still a chance of moisture over the southern southeast coast. All the remainder of the area there, just cloudy or variably cloudy. Could be a few sun breaks, especially here over the eastern interior. Could be a few breaks in the clouds that aren't really depicted on the chart here. Chance of showers continue. East-southeast flow, keeping that moisture kind of banked up there over western Prince William Sound into the southern and eastern Kenai Peninsula. Still a chance of showers for Kodiak Island. This front here begins to make a jog to the north on Wednesday. That brings another shot of rain into Kodiak, and also moisture starts to increase in the afternoon for increasing chances of rain. Southern Cook Inlet and extreme southern Kenai Peninsula areas. Definitely a wet day for the Alaska Peninsula into the Fox Islands there. Dry with variably cloudy skies in the interior again. For the last day, or for the first day of November here, not bad at all. Temperatures still above normal, nice 40s to lower 50s in many areas. Dry for the southeast coast. Chance of snow from the Brooks Range out to the Arctic coast. And some shower chances here for the central Aleutian. And that's about it. Looking at temperatures, lows out here in the Aleutians tonight, 30s to lower 40s, mid-30s all the way up to the Seward Peninsula, St. Lawrence Island, lower to mid-30s for the northwest coast to Point Hope and Cape Lisburne, cooling into the teens, eastern Arctic coast, eastern interior all the way down to the Copper River Basin in the teens there, warming into the 20s to the west and then 30s over the southwest interior. And in the 30s here, southern Alaska, above freezing for the North Gulf Coast, well above freezing for the Panhandle, Kodiak Island, and the Aleutians and Alaska Peninsula. Highs tomorrow, very nice conditions, near 50 for Kodiak Island into Homer and Seldovia, Port Muller, and in the 40s for highs for the Panhandle. 40s again, south central Alaska, mid-30s Copper River Basin, 20s here eastern interior all the way up to the Brooks Range and the Arctic coast, 30s back out to the west, and 40s for the Aleutians. And then the lows the following morning, again, Copper River Basin, central eastern interior up to the Brooks Range in the teens or 10 to 20, warming as you head west to, looks like staying above freezing for St. Lawrence Island, upper 20s to lower 30s for the Seward Peninsula, and in the 20s for the Arctic coast, lows 30s and 40s for the Panhandle, and mid-40s for your lows for Kodiak Island, 40 to 45 here for the Alaska Peninsula, upper 30s for the central Aleutians. And then highs again, upper 40s to lower 50s, Bristol Bay, Kodiak Island, in the 40s, south central Alaska, upper 20s, Copper River Basin, 45 to 52 for the southeast coast, coolest here for the Brooks Range, 10 to 15 there, 20s central interior, and 20s for the Arctic coast.